Hey guys, now I'm on the way going back from Bangkok, Suvarnabhumi airport to this KLIA, Malaysia. So you can see actually very heavy rain outside. So many things, if I try to shoot some video, actually you can't see. But for our eyes, we still can see quite clear what is happening outside. Yeah, so until today, if talk about camera, the video recording, still the technology currently, many things still need to improve. So maybe I would like to show you the runway, but actually you can see due to the rain, then honestly we really can't see lah. Okay. Yeah, no matter what is the camera or video cam, because when you shoot from a place, there is a windows or glass, and your camera performance reduce greatly. That's the reason what we see in the real situation and in the video a lot different. Yeah, this one is the view that already arrived in Malaysia, KLIA here, but not yet. So the down here, I'm not sure where. If I look at the flight info from this Malaysia airline, it fly directly from Bangkok to this KLIA. It go through, I think it cut through maybe Ipoh. It did not follow the Kedah, Penang, then Ipoh. No, it cut straight away from Bangkok down to this KLIA, but I'm not sure where. Too small, everything when you fly too high. But it's no doubt it's a very nice view lah. I still remember when I compare the Malaysia a lot of orange color due to the street light, and then some notice is a bit white. Yeah, still very bright, very bright compared to, I remember, some country like Vietnam. A lot of places never have the light. Yeah, so again, a nice one here. Alright. And then I think I remember I did not shoot any KLIA arrival level 3 here at the night time. So this is a quick view lah. And then also a busy airport, but compared to Bangkok, it's still, you can compare yourself lah. Okay, so I think that's all for this very simple video. Hope we can improve it further with our equipment, all that, or technology. Alright, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and click like, yeah, for this video if you like it.